How's it going, everybody? You probably don't recognize this specific neighborhood I am in today. I am actually out in Eunice, Louisiana today. So I have made a day of it. It took me 2.5 hours to get out here. Spend a little time kind of looking around, seeing if I can get any ideas. And then I'll spend another 2.5 hours driving back. But if you are near our area, near New Orleans, near Baton Rouge, I mean, out here, you know, off of Lafayette. Like I said, I'm in Eunice, Louisiana right now. So if you are near our area and, you know, you have a property that you just want to get rid of for whatever reason, whether it's repairs, damage, family problems, financial issues, if you just want to get a property, get rid of it, contact us, homebuyerlouisiana.com. Fill out the form, tell us a little bit about you, a little bit about the property. So we definitely think that we can have an opportunity here on our hands to help these homeowners that requested us from the website. So yeah, if you're in New Orleans, Louisiana, somewhere in the surrounding area, and we feel like we can truly help you out, we will. homebuyerlouisiana.com.